This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Sharon Engels. New construction, cute designer styled cottage with 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, just a short stroll to the beach and parks in Blaine. Open concept west/master on the main floor and large loft/bedroom. Custom woodwork and unique finishes. Compact community near all conveniences and minutes to I-5 and the US/Canadian border. Private backyard with buffer zone of trees and nature along back and south side of property. Relax on your covered front or back porch, sit around your own fire pit or enjoy your garden view. For more information, review the details below.